Chứ máy hôm nay chạy êm ghê ha.
Đêm qua chú thay nhọt mới. Máy tấm sắt này còn chịu được vài mùa nữa.
Sáng nay mát đi bộ cũng thấy khỏe.
Tới trưa coi chừng nắng gắt đó.
You see where the water comes in there, near the dike? That's new from last night's rain.
Mm-hmm. We patch it after lunch?
Yes. Let it settle first. Keep the seedlings above the flood line.
The mech's still pulling strong.
Loud but steady. Good.
Smoke's a bit thicker today.
Yeah. Diesel's running rich. I think the intake's loose.
Like the brass valve, quarter turn only.
Got it. Pressure's holding now.
Good. Wipe it off before you close.
Already on it.
It'll run smooth the rest of the day.
It's starting again, you see it? Yeah. The road's on fire. Uncle, the engine holding, yeah? Still breathing. Listen to her rattle. Means she's happy. We'll take that corner before the snap up. If the breeze stays high. Come on, let's move.
Hold it steady, boy.
Got it. Clamp's not slipping.
Good. One more time. There.
You want the gauge?
Uh-huh.
All right, fire it.
Go on, Tin Man.
That's smoother. Look at that.
Strong, too. Gonna
You earned the coconut water after this, Uncle.
Not too hot, huh? Let the beat sit or she's back again.
I know, Uncle. This needs stubborn like buffalo.
Better stubborn than broken.
Give it a try now.
Tighten first, then she can walk.
Pick up on with it.
Hear that?
Yeah, trucks maybe.
Not on this road. Stay still.
It's fading.
We'll wait another minute.
Got it, Uncle. Good day's work.
Sun's almost gone.
Let him rest a moment. He earned it. Come on. Home before dark.
Hold it steady there, nephew.
Got it, Uncle.
Thread's still good, just need a quarter turn more.
She's been hauling all day. Deserves a clean foot.
You talk to her like she's a carabao.
Works harder than one.
There, hear that. Smooth now.
Good girl, Mekong.
Path's darker than I remember.
Moon's hiding. Good thing the old boy's got lantern feet.
Mm-hmm. And you don't complain.
Not yet, anyway.
You hear that? Cricket's finally back after the rain.
Yeah. Sounds like the fields are breathing again.
Home's just round the bend.
นี่เหนื่อยเอาเรื่องนะหลานแต่คุ้มครับหลาน
ข่าวลงเลย เจ้านี้ก็ช่วยไม่เบาพาไม่พังกลางทางก็ดีสิครับ
เดี๋ยวพักให้มันชาร์จก่อน
He sounds tired tonight.
He earned it. So did we.
Tomorrow, same sun.
Same field.